I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to disable biometric login on your Orange 2026, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Settings. Navigate to the Settings app on your device. This is usually represented by gear icon on your home screen or app drawer. Step 2. Select Security. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on the Security option. This is where you can manage all your security settings, including biometrics. Step 3. Access biometric settings. Within the Security menu, look for Biometrics or Fingerprint settings. Tap on it to access the biometric login options. Step 4. Disable biometric login. You should see an option to disable biometric login. Toggle the switch off will select the option to remove your fingerprint or facial recognition data. Step 5. Confirm your choice. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm your decision. Make sure to read it carefully and tap yes or confirm to finalize the changes. Remember, if you accidentally disable the wrong option, you might need to re-enable it later by following the same steps. I hope this helps you manage your device better.